For a start, it is worth starting with the appearance of new products, since it is this parameter that will primarily determine the success or failure of future flagships. As Samsung itself has repeatedly stated, in 2019 it will certainly surprise users, present something that other brands have not yet seen. According to the latest insiders, all three Galaxy devices will receive a frameless full-screen design. The youngest version with the light prefix will acquire an atypically compact screen with a diagonal of just 5 inches. It will be flat, as in the good old days, and not rounded on the sides. In conditions when the market is dominated by 5.9 to 6.2 inches, the Pi Aterochka will be very compact, especially given the lack of frames. In fact, this is a very correct and reasonable step, as many people like small and convenient smartphones. Framelessness will be provided by a special display called Infinity O. The letter O means that the display panel will have a small round opening through which the front-facing camera will peep. This is the answer to bangs from the iPhone and teardrop-shaped cuts. The hole under the front camera will most likely be located in the center, but it is possible that it shift to the right or left. Infinity O will indeed provide a full-screen design, and according to rumors, even Galaxy S10 Lite will lose the small indentation that Galaxies of previous generations have below. As for the Galaxy C10 and C10 Plus versions, the diagonal of their displays will be 5.8 and 6.44 inches, respectively, and the front panel will be habitually rounded on the sides, as it is implemented in the company's latest flagships. To summarize, the Infinity O is a direct lifeline for Samsung and, apparently, the future trend for 2019. The era of bangs will go into oblivion. Some companies will be pampered and forgotten with sliders. A drop-shaped neckline will become the property of state employees, and the opening in the display will be the best solution for all flagships. By the way, in addition to Infinity O, Samsung announced 2 more types of displays, Infinity U and V. Both types are screens with a small cutout in the form of the letter U and V, respectively.